Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how you can share a Google Doc in a breakout room. Now sometimes this causes a problems for most people because they don't know that what's shared in the main room cannot be seen once they're in the breakout room. Right now, let's say we're in the main room, everyone can see this document. If I move the students to a breakout room, they can no longer see it. Now you might need to set up a discussion where they're talking about, let's say there's a task. They have to discuss a problem X and find 3 solutions, 1, 2, and 3. Now, in most cases, what they can do, the easiest way is the low-tech method, and it's the one that I recommend. They just get a pen and a paper, and they copy down the task, and when they get to the breakout room, they talk about it. Next, the second way is to cut and paste the task into the chat box. So what they can do is they can just copy and paste it into the chat box. Now one person will have to copy it, copy what's in the chat box. When they're in the breakout room, they paste it. Job done. Now some people really want to share the document because they want them to be able to edit a Google Doc. So in which case it's necessary to do the third option, which is the most difficult. I'm going to show you how to do it. So they would share the link to Google Doc once they're in that breakout room. Now, first of all, let's see what we can do. So we're going to need to go to Share over here, and then make sure that it's set to Edit. That way they can type on the document, copy the link, and click Done. This is what you're going to send to the students. So you would go to the chat box, and then you would paste it. But before you put them into breakout rooms, it's very important that you allow them to share what they have. So I'm going to click Stop Share for now to show you how it works. Now, let's look at the green icon at the bottom. On the right, there's an upward pointing arrow. Notice that? Click on it. Click Advanced Sharing Options. Now, this is what will appear, and you should allow everyone to share. You might want to click this one as well. That's fine. And then leave. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to share our screen again, and then now we're going to put them into breakout rooms. So click on More, click on Breakout Rooms, allow them to put them in automatically, assign them 2 students into one room. Now you can see student 2 and student 3 are in their breakout rooms. That's what we want. We're now in the student view. See the red icon there. You can go to the chat to see your message, and then click on and copy the link, and then go to the main browser. Go to something like Google Chrome and paste it in the browser at the top, and then it will give you the option to use the app. I recommend you use the app, the Google Doc app. That way you can edit easily. So you can continue having a conversation with your partner in the breakout room while finding out solutions to the problem, and you should type as you're discussing. So I'm just going to type some random letters here. Let's say we found solutions to all these 3 problems after discussing them. Maybe your teacher may have set a 10-minute time limit or 15 minutes. When that time is up, you should get a countdown timer before you go back into the main room to present your ideas. So that timer should be coming up any moment now. There you go, you can see the timer, and it's counting down. You can wrap up your conversation and go back to the main room. Now we're in the main room. The students can present their ideas to the class by sharing their screen and then taking turns with other groups before the teacher gives them feedback. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe for more free videos. Thank you for watching.